Hello y'all, I want to do this quick little video. I'll be too close to my face, so I'm trying to hold it back. I wanted to do this quick little video of my garden, just a little tour to let y'all know what is going on, what fruits are growing, and an update on that. So if I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, welcome to I Gathered Out the Soil, and let's take a look at my garden. In the containers, I got two starters here. These are cucumbers, the little peppers, Mongolians taking over, bell pepper. I picked some of that off. I should have probably recorded. I didn't. I'm a bad YouTuber, y'all. I'm gonna get the hang of it here in a second. Kale still growing quite nicely. This one back here is getting ate up. What's this? Oh, a bay leaf that fell. Everything doing nicely, lush. Marigolds trying to bloom on this one. Oh, I popped some seeds on here because these bolted, and I grab a few. There's a lot of seeds in these dried out ones that I gotta pick. I'm gonna do a video about that, hopefully. Oh, here come a little bloom coming out of marigolds. Strawberry done completely took over this container. As you can see, the only compartment that don't have strawberry. I lied. One hopped over here too. They didn't bring me any fruit though, so I'm just keep these in here till next time. And so that's how I'm playing that with the strawberries. Here is my sweet potato just growing all over the place. Over here, I don't know if y'all can see it yet. Guess what's growing? My cucumber. We got one cucumber on here. I don't know what happened to the other one. So that's how he's looking. Okay, good old cucumber. There's a little one right here that's going to start. Nothing to really see on this side is because nothing is growing. The marigolds are booming. I mean, it's growing, but it's growing at a very slow pace. These are cantaloupes right here. There's two marigolds and tomato. I'm going to pick that and put a cucumber in, because that little tomato seedling is not going to make it. So let me show you the other part of my garden here. Compared to this cucumber, that one is not even growing. look at this. This one cucumber. Look how long it is. That's long. Let me see if I can get it real good. See how long it is? That's all cucumber. And you see them balls? That's I mean cucumber. So sorry. Correction. Cantaloupe. Okay. This good old Big Bertha Kenny right here. This Kenny Central and Tomato Central. Look at the tomatoes. They are doing nicely. Look at that side. Look at that side. Look at that. Look at that. They popping up all over the place. And I want to say I did not. I'm not going to say I didn't. What they call it? Trim. Pick some of the branches off. I only picked the branches off at the bottom, as you can see how bare it is. But I didn't really like. They say, oh, cut the. Let me give you an example. This right here, this branch, that is called a sucker. I didn't cut the suckers. I just let them grow, and they got tomatoes growing on them. As you can see up here, these are suckers as well. They grow tomatoes. So I'm just letting my suckers grow. They said trim them so they can grow up one. That's what it's saying online. So they can grow up one main stem, and it won't be so, I guess, bushy. I don't care. Look, this is my first time growing tomatoes, and I'm saying I'm here to say that I believe. Let me turn around. I believe I'm doing quite successful for it to be my first time. It has fruit on the tomato trees, so I'm happy about that, and they run quite good. So I didn't trim any suckers. I say Do whatever best fit you. And I'm looking over here because my dog, look at my dog. Say hey, Kane. Kane. Say hi to the people. You gonna speak to them. You gonna give them, no. They gets nothing from you. You trying to, you know what I'm saying, smell a little spot so you can roll around on the grass, okay? So, look at this. I got tomatoes growing here. I got these sets here, set back there. I got a little babies growing up here. And they're gonna say I got some back there, if y'all can see that back here. Them little baby tomatoes. The pepper is doing good. Clearly the cantaloupe doing good. I'm gonna show y'all what fruit is sitting on the Kenny. Here's marigold. Marigold showing out, okay? She done grew into a big bush. I think I had 4 right here. She peeking through. She said she's coming out with the flowers, darling. I got some strawberry right here. That's a runner that I planted. Here's my pepper back here. It's still pretty short. I don't know how tall they supposed to get, but this is a hot pepper. Is it a hot pepper or a sweet pepper? I put the wrong tag on here, so I don't know. But that's that on that. Look at Candy, y'all. Candy showing out. I had to hurry up and make this video, baby. Bam! You heard? I know, girl. She a beauty, ain't she? She a beauty. She a beauty. She a beauty. Is she a beauty, y'all? Okay. Bam! Okay, she about ready. That's why I had to hurry up and pull the camera out, because I don't know how fast they're going to grow, because they seem like they're growing very rapidly. So this one didn't, you know how cantaloupes get that little crisscross texture on it. This one don't have the texture, but it's about ready. It's trying to get some texture on the bottom here. I don't know if y'all can see that. So it's still at the beginning stages. See that little texture right there? It's going to continue to be all over the cantaloupe. So this one is almost done. I guess I would give it about a week. Don't quote me on that. I don't know, y'all. Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think and how long it's going to be before this cantaloupe here ripen up. This is the second one, so I got 2 on one vine. It's growing quite nicely as well. It's not quite as big as this one, as you could see. Let me get back. Bow. This one, my whole hand still can fit. Bow. You know what I mean? So that one still got some ways to go. Comment on this second one how long you guys think that's going to take to get ready, get ripe. Okay, so let's before we go to the garden bed. No, I ain't before, because the watermelons is in the garden bed. This is a sugar baby. Oh, when did I plant? All of these was started in March 28th. Not all of them, but the melons and the tomatoes and the peppers. So if you look at my other videos, you would have already known that. But here is a sugar baby. It's not quite finished with growing. So it got one off of here, and it has so this one vine, it's one. It hasn't grown as big yet. Comment down below how long y'all gonna think this gonna take. I'm gonna say about, I think it got like 3 more weeks. Hey y'all, this is I Got It Out the Soil. Y'all should be used to the voiceovers by now. The video shut off so abruptly I had to do a voiceover. So stay tuned to part 2 of my garden video. I will give y'all the rest of the tour of the garden bed and all of the tomatoes and melons in part 2. So stay tuned. Until next time, I see you in the next video. Peace.